I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sullins with your most accurate forecast, and we will be staying dry in the valley tonight as we get a little bit of a break from monsoon storms here. We're cranking up the heat as well as we go into tomorrow, a degree or two hotter across the valley, and storm chances coming back soon. We're talking late tomorrow afternoon, early evening, a slight chance. Now, here's what Futurecast shows. As we go into the heat of the day, in the afternoon hours, storms are going to fire up again along the rim. Now, going into the evening, we'll see them across southeast Arizona, and they'll get close enough that we can't rule out a stray pop-up here. It's a very slight chance. Most of us won't see anything, but a 10% shot in our valley forecast tomorrow. Northern Arizona in that 30 to 50% range, and across southeast Arizona, a slight chance for storms too. So here's what it looks like hour by hour. In the morning, 80s. Then we're talking mid-90s through 10, 11, and noon tomorrow. Into those triple digits as we head into the afternoon forecast, up to 107 for our high tomorrow, and a slight chance of a stray storm in the mix. Take a look at your forecast city by city. 98 tomorrow in Carefree. It's the only spot that's going to be in the 90s. The rest of the East Valley and up north in the foothills, triple digits. 101 in Cave Creek, 106 in Scottsdale and Tempe, and 105 in Mesa. Early morning lows mostly in the 80s across the Phoenix metro. West Valley will get down to about 85 tonight in Glendale and Peoria, and 84 in Litchfield Park, out at Luke Air Force Base, and in Avondale too. Tomorrow afternoon, 106 in Goodyear and 106 in Buckeye and Surprise as well. Glendale hits 107, Deer Valley at 105, and 102 up in Anthem. Across the state tonight, temperatures dropping into the mid to upper 60s for Prescott and Payson, 70 in Sedona, and 55 in Flagstaff. For tomorrow, along the rim, that chance for showers and thunderstorms with highs in the 80s. Sedona will max out around 95, Kingman at 96, and Bullhead City a sizzling 110 for tomorrow, which we expect down in Yuma as well. Phoenix is 107, about 1 degree above average for tomorrow. We'll get down to 103 on Friday and 100 Saturday as we increase that monsoon moisture across the state once again. We'll see about a 20% chance for showers and thunderstorms Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Right now, it looks like a little bit of a better chance in those overnight hours Saturday going into Sunday, and we'll keep the chance going into early next week too as temperatures start to heat up little by little.